On today's body cam, we're checking out when driving the wrong way on the highway lands you in jail.
Get out of the car!
You're going the wrong way on the interstate.
No.
Frantic calls about a driver going the wrong way on Interstate 4 in Florida had Tampa police and the Florida Highway Patrol chasing down a suspect on a collision course at highway speed. They found her almost immediately. Units closed in with lights and sirens, but she didn't slow down. She kept driving into oncoming traffic.
Wow.
There was no time to wait. The pit maneuver had to be precise, and it had to work.
She running from something? Wow.
Pit.
After it ended, reality started to set in. One officer said he thought he was going to see heaven.
Get out of the car!
Now, you know what's crazy? Everybody that's driving, right? They're like, come on, let me pass. Let me pass before they block it off. Because you know, with this going down right here, that highway is going to be backed up for a while. So you better get it while it's hot, while they still doing what they do. Because once they get them guns out and they drawn, the traffic stops and you're stuck.
Open the door! Go out the other side. Hey, go out the other side. I got you still.
It's a, hey,
Man, where's her clothes? What the
I got it. I pet her, so I'm gonna take it.
No, the circle
Relax.
out of
Face the car.
That's never hit me in my life.
What happened?
The circle. Like whenever I try to like.
The circle of the car?
No, like whenever I
CK2,
try to.
number 2 one time, you can clear the air.
I am so sorry. My car was not flipping to the other side. Whenever I flipped the car, whenever I flipped the entire like engine, the whole engine would not, like the whole thing would not stop. It would not stop.
Okay.
It was like one breaker. At least.
Do you realize that you're going the wrong way on the interstate?
On this interstate?
Yeah, do you see all these lights coming towards us? Look straight ahead.
No, I do.
Right.
Babe, I do.
So you're
No,
going
I promise
you're
I
going
do.
the wrong way on the interstate.
No.
Yes, you were.
This one?
That's why I wrecked
This
you.
car?
You, yes.
This car?
You were
Are
going the
serious?
wrong way.
I'm so sorry. That has never happened to me in my life. We have ever been out on this road on one easy street. This has never happened to us. I'm so sorry.
What is she talking about?
We're gonna go against this wall.
Who got hit? I hit her. Oh, you good though? Yeah. Okay.
My husband's driving me home. It's just
What do
really
you mean? You were driving home.
No, he's driving us home.
You were just driving.
No. I was driving. I was like I was in the passenger seat.
Hey, is there anyone else in that car?
No, yeah.
Yeah, there's no one else in the car.
No, okay, maybe not that specific clear, but there was like me and my husband were in one car. We are not in that clearing car. We are all the way down there. He's driving us home. We are like saving at one bar for me to just talk to him, and then we're going to the spooky sea where we were. Okay.
Okay.
All right. What are we thinking? What do you want to do with me tonight? Be honest.
Let me ask you a question. How many drinks have you had tonight?
I've had two bars that I've been to tonight that I've had a full drink at.
Okay.
Like,
Man, we gotta have a talk, man. Fellas, we gotta have a talk, man. Listen, I don't know if she got a husband or not. I don't know. We just going off of her word. She said that she got a husband. Y'all want y'all girl walking out the house like this? This is crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, where's her clothes? Where's the clothes? Like, and then what are you talking about? I don't even know what she's saying. She probably doesn't realize what she's saying. Oh, man. Fathers, hug your daughters, man. That's all I can say, man. Just give them a hug, embrace them. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you there for them, man, because this is insane, man. Where's your shirt?
I had one full drink at my house, and I had 2 drinks at the bar.
Is that passenger? Passenger?
Yes, driver.
She's the driver?
Yes. No one else in the car but her.
Oh.
Where'd you get the wristband from? Where'd you get the wristband?
Oh, that's a spooky Z, like right here. Do you want to give me a ticket? I will pay it. I will give you.
Oh, you get more than a
As the scene
ticket.
settled, officers proceeded with the field sobriety tests. Christian struggled, and it started to show.
I'd like to check your eyes, okay?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, turn face me. I just don't want the interstate to bother you. So with your feet together and then your hands by your side touching your thighs. You wear glasses or contacts?
I wear glasses, but I don't have them with me right now.
No
I'm
contacts?
not driving home, so I don't have my glasses with me. That's all I can say is he has my glasses. I don't have them.
Okay. Do you see a
I
doctor?
normally do wear glasses.
Do you see a doctor for anything or have any medical issues?
At least glasses and anxiety.
Okay. Do you take any prescription medication?
I don't take it. I should be, but I don't.
Okay. But you don't actively take anything? Okay. Do you have any injuries, disabilities? Okay. So with your feet together and then your hands by your side touching your thighs, you see a tip on my pen?
I'm surprised she didn't say she got PTSD. You know, that's the next one they say. When they say they got anxiety, the next one is PTSD.
Oh, what color is it?
It's red.
Yep. So what I want you to do is I'm going to move it back and forth several times. I want you to follow it with your eyes without moving your head, okay? Okay? Just keep following that red light for me. So the next exercise we do, it's a walking turn. Here, come like right.
So sorry.
Come like right over here. For me.
I feel so sorry.
What's your step? What's your step?
Because I already knew that you were
Here.
better than them. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Okay, so see this straight yellow line right here? That's what we're gonna use, okay?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put you in a starting position, and then I'll explain the whole exercise. I'll even demonstrate it, and then I'll ask you if you have any questions, okay? Okay, do you have any questions about it? Okay, well, if you don't have any questions and you understand the instructions, you can begin whenever you're ready. Hands by your side. Done? Okay. Here, come like right back over here for me. Like right back where that red line. Okay. Yeah, you tell me. You just tell me when you're done.
I feel like half I can.
Okay, no, if you're done here, come right over here. No, like right back to where we were.
Yeah, I just swear I was.
Okay.
No, I can't drive. I know I can drive us to where we were.
Okay, here, come like right back over here for me. So the next exercise we do, it's a one-leg stand. So, yeah, so feet together, hands by your side.
Can I wait until we're ready for the jig?
What's
or do I
that?
have to figure it out now?
Well, no, I'll explain the whole thing.
Just tell me when you're
I'll
ready.
demonstrate it, and then I'll ask you if you have any questions, okay?
That would be great.
So I tell you to begin, you're going to pick a foot, doesn't matter which one. So I'll demonstrate it for you. When I tell you to begin, you're going to go 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, so on and so forth, until I tell you to stop. Both legs straight, hands by your side. Your foot's parallel to the ground, so your toes not pointing down, not pointing up, it's parallel to the ground, and then looking at your foot. Well, don't start yet.
Okay, no, I don't know.
You made questions about it?
No, I just wanted to understand.
I gotcha. Okay, well, if you don't have any questions and you understand the instructions, yep,
Tell me when you're ready.
you can begin whenever you're ready. Yep, feet done. Hands by your side. And looking at your foot. Counting out loud. Hands by your sides, touching your thighs. Hands touching your thighs. All right, you can stop. Yep, so go back to that starting position for me. Real quick, I'll kind of explain what's going on.
Yeah, you're okay. You're 100% okay. I get it.
Okay, so you are being placed under arrest for DUI. All right, you're gonna go right over here to the back to my car.
See, I want to know what the other charges are along with this, because of course you're getting DUI, but I want to see everything. The reckless, she got to get reckless driving and everything. Like, you got to get the whole nine, man. You driving against traffic on there, and then they tried to pit you, and you still kept going. Like, let's just pretend in La La Land for a second that maybe she didn't see the police officers coming at her, but you realized somebody got to be behind you or whatever when your car gets hit initially, right? Boom, your car get hit. You were like, wait, hold on. And you're naturally probably going to look in the mirror, right? To look behind you or look, and you're going to see police officers around, and you don't think to pull over. They have to full on spin you around, and oh boy, that shit don't make no sense, man.
No, just.
Do you have anything that's on you that's gonna stop me? No, hold on. Let me get through my stuff, and then we'll get through your stuff, okay? Drugs on you?
No.
Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna do a search of your person.
Go ahead.
Listen. If there's something on you, don't tell me about it, and it goes to the jail.
Nothing.
It's a felony.
She ain't got nothing on. You can.
Okay.
There's nothing.
Okay, nothing in your bra?
You can touch whatever you want.
Well, I'm only gonna do what I need to do, okay?
No. You're okay. I promise.
Oh, you can touch whatever you want. Oh.
No. There's nothing in my bra. There's nothing in my purse. There's nothing in my nothing. He had my purse and he took it away, so it's okay. So long as I know there's.
Will this fall down if this comes off?
No. That's the biggest part. No, that should be okay.
Okay. Do you have anything in your bottoms?
Nothing.
that I
In my
can't get to?
pockets. Nothing.
What about your boots?
No, not even my pockets.
Okay.
No, I have nothing.
That's really easy.
Yeah, I have nothing.
See right here, just watch your head. Okay, so listen, when we do get to the jail, I'm going to ask you to provide a sample of your breath, okay?
My breath.
Yeah, I'm asking you to do a breath test, okay?
Okay.
All right.
You know, I was just about to say, man, you know, actually it's refreshing to see, you know, her not crying. You know, that's typically that's the default. That's like hitting reset, you know, factory reset, just start crying, right? You know, or at least making the sounds. No tears that come down, but make the sounds. So I'm like, oh, I'm sitting here going through it, and I was going to get to that, you know, towards the end, but damn, man. Never mind.
Please tell me, because I'm ready to fight.
Ah, shit.
Who did what?
Who broke the calendar? Because I feel like I'm ready to.
Ah,
I
shoot.
can't do this. I'm not one of you guys. They makes me feel so scared. I'm back here.
I know, I'm coming. Hey, 1 second. All right, go on and hop on out for me.
I need you to take one out for me so I can take this all out for all of us.
Okay.
Because I'm about to hit. Like it's my job. I need you to unhand us.
I will, hang on.
Do whatever you need to do. I will go to jail and get shot in the face. Whatever we're allowed to do because I can't do this.
Okay, here, come. Right this way. No, walk regular.
I don't want you to live like this.
It's okay.
I want to give up my life.
You're
I want to
okay.
give up my life. I do.
Come on, where you going? No, you gotta come this way. Come on, stop.
Lock me out on the
Come on. You're gonna get another charge.
They're gonna get
Thank you. No, I'm saying you're about to get charged with resisting.
I'm sorry.
Christiane was taken into custody and transported to the Orient Road jail. During processing, she was given a breathalyzer test, and the results showed she was more than twice the legal limit. She was charged with driving under the influence, fleeing to elude at high speed, and related traffic violations stemming from the wrong-way pursuit on Interstate 4.
The way that you move